Shield AI and Destinus announced the successful completion of a rapid autonomy integration campaign on the Destinus Hornet platform. The flight tests, conducted in Segovia, Spain, validated the integration of Shield AI's HiveMind autonomy software with the Hornet flight control architecture after a 2-month integration effort. Hornet is built as a multi-role autonomous platform for counter-unmanned aircraft systems and strike missions, but it can also support reconnaissance, data relay, and security tasks. While HiveMind serves as a modular autonomy layer that helps different systems work together under clear command and control. Destinus officially lists Hornet Block 2 as a sealed canister-launched, electrically powered interceptor with a range of more than 70 kilometers and a 3-kilogram payload. You'll see the Hornet launch with a sudden burst from its booster, its wings unfolding in mid-air like a bird of prey. The Hornet's onboard processor analyzed the new obstacle instantly and recalculated its flight path on the fly, maintaining its mission without a single manual command. At its core is the Vector Vista Block 2 navigation and targeting suite, a high-speed AI processor that allows the drone to navigate without GPS. The camera module is tiny, yet it houses both a high-resolution day visual sensor and an infrared night vision camera, allowing the Hornet to hunt in total darkness or through heavy smoke. Future testing phases will expand the autonomy envelope to include advanced mission planning, terrain-aware flight profiles, and coordinated multi-platform behaviors.